discuss what is the use of insects in death investigation. But before that, I'm going to discuss first what is the meaning of insects and what is the meaning of forensic entomology. Insects is a small arthropod animal that has 6 legs and generally 1 or 2 pairs of wings. And as we observe, blue flies are the common flies arrive at the dead bodies. And forensic entomology is the scientific study of the invasion of succession pattern of arthropods with their developmental stages of different species found in the decomposed cadavers during legal investigation. Blue flies are attracted to a corpse very soon after death and lay their eggs in natural openings or in a wound if present, such as mouth, anus, ears, nose, and etc. When a body is discovered more than 72 hours after death, details normally examined to establish time of death, such as body temperature, skin color, and degree of muscle. Blue flies, however, lay eggs within minutes of someone dying, and so investigators can use the growth timeline of maggots to find out exactly when a person died. By studying the insects associated with human corpse in an effort to determine elapsed time since death, insect evidence may also show that the body has been moved to a second site after death, or that the body has been disturbed at some time, either by animals or by the killer returning to the scene of the crime. However, the primary purpose is to determine elapsed time since death. There are 2 main ways of using insects to determine elapsed time since death. First is using successional waves of insects. This method is used when the corpse has been dead between a month and up to a year or more. The forensic entomologist will therefore analyze the groups of insects that are associated with the corpse. He or she will also need knowledge of the local insect population as well as knowledge of insects succession and the types of carrion decomposition. Having all this information in place will allow the forensic entomologist to determine a window of time in which death took place. The second is using maggot age and development. This method can allegedly give a date of death, accurate to a day or less, but more likely a range of days. It is used in the first few weeks after death. Since insects arrive on the body soon after death, by estimating the age of the insects on the corpse, it is possible to estimate the time interval since death.